diet is a dietary plan based on foods similar to what might have been eaten during the Paleolithic era, which dates from approximately 2.5 million to 10,000 years ago. The paleo diet typically includes lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, foods that in the past could be obtained by hunting and gathering. The paleo diet limits foods that became common when farming emerged about 10,000 years ago. These foods include dairy products, legumes, and grains. Other names for the paleo diet include Paleolithic diet, Stone Age diet, hunter-gatherer diet, and caveman diet. The aim of the paleo diet is to return to a way of eating that's more like what early humans ate. The diet's reasoning is that the human body is genetically mismatched to the modern diet that emerged with farming practices, an idea known as the discordance hypothesis. Farming changed what people ate and established dairy, grains, and legumes as additional staples in the human diet. This relatively late and rapid change in diet, according to the hypothesis, outpaced the body's ability to adapt. This mismatch is believed to be a contributing factor to the prevalence of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease today. The paleo diet may help you lose weight or maintain weight, and may also have other beneficial health effects. However, there are no long-term clinical studies about the benefits and potential risks of the diet.